The element in the picture is hydrogen. Specifically, hydrogen gas is excited so that it releases a hue of light that's unique to pure hydrogen. Hydrogen is the first element in the periodic table. Placing it in the top left-hand corner of the table in a row that it shares with helium. This is known as a period. Hydrogen is the simplest form that an element can exist in, making it the basic building block of the physical universe. It consists of a single proton in its nucleus surrounded by a single electron to match. The hydrogen nucleus typically consists of a single proton, although it can take on a neutron to turn into what we refer to as deuterium, an isotope of hydrogen. Hydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe. By a lot. A whole lot. Both hydrogen and helium take up almost 100% of all the elements that exist within the universe in total. On Earth, this is not the case, but not for our solar system, where our sun is made up of almost 90% hydrogen, where it smashes it together to fuse into helium and other heavy elements, releasing energy as a byproduct. That's the same energy that we use here on Earth to live. Hydrogen on Earth exists as a gas, and because hydrogen is the lightest of all the elements, it rises up, as seen here where it's trapped in the bubbles. Something you might also notice is it's extremely explosive. Something that we hope to take advantage of as a fuel source, but at the moment it's too expensive to be realistic options. Unfortunately, we've made the mistake of using hydrogen for its lighter-than-air properties before appreciating its potential for explosion, something that was the oversight leading to the Hindenburg disaster. In this ship, hydrogen was used to attain lift. It was stored in huge containers, which were not completely devoid of an energy source, and a spark ignited the gas, erupting the entire ship into flames. Experiments with hydrogen are pushing the limits of what we can do within the physical and nuclear realms of science. The invention of the hydrogen bomb showed that it was possible to fuse hydrogen on Earth rather than within the core of the Sun, and release the massive amount of energy that this process creates. All considered, this element may be simple as it gets, but it's the parent to all other elements in the entire universe, and for this it earns its respect as the place in the periodic table as number 1.